Solomon is a big-time photographer. 2 of his children passed JAMB, but his worry is post-UTME because it's more challenging, so he had to call Elder for advice.
Who don't put them for lecture? Very good. Thank God say he never put them. Carry them go boiling points.
Boiling Point Tutorials is a place where students are given the best preparation for external examinations such as SSCE, GCE, UTME, post-UTME, and JUPE. Boiling Point is located in 5 centers in Benin City: Ugbowo, 20th Street, EDPA, beside Nadia Bakery, opposite University of Benin Main Gate, Ugbowo Campus; Ikpoba Hill, story building beside Hotel Doris Day, along Benin Agbo Road; Siloko Branch, 119 Siloko Road by Ogwola Junction, beside Faith in God Filling Station; Ekenwa Branch, Osaga Ugugu Street, opposite Ozigbo Junction, beside Sun Beach Resort; Sapele Road Branch, 31 Dumes Road, off Sapele Road, Benin City. Boiling Point Tutorials, we set academic pace and others follow.